The following message is transmitted by request of the Galveston Police Department. A dangerous event is currently unfolding at Scott Elementary School. At 10:07 a.m., a heavily armed gunman dressed up in a Grim Reaper costume made his way inside the school and began firing. 2 fatalities have been reported along with several injuries. The gunman is reportedly roaming around the school and is firing at classrooms while running down hallways. Police have been dispatched to the scene after responding to 911 calls coming in from the school. The school is currently undergoing lockdown, and no one except for 911 personnel is allowed inside the building. Stay tuned to this or other media outlets for more information on this situation. The following message is transmitted by request of the Galveston Police Department. The attack on Scott Elementary School continues at this time. Police had arrived at the school to deal with the armed gunman, but were unsuccessful. 17 more fatalities have been reported, including a teacher and the school's principal. The school will remain in lockdown until further notice, and no one except for authorities is allowed inside the building. Stay tuned to this or other media outlets for more information. An administrative message from the Galveston Police Department. The attack on Scott Elementary School that prompted a civil emergency today has ended. The armed gunman has committed suicide after causing great destruction to the school and killing 23 children and 7 staff members. The gunman has been identified as Harold Jonath, a 24-year-old resident of Galveston. What motivated him to cause such an act of terrorism remains unknown. To repeat, the attack on Scott Elementary School at this time has ended.